action.
Skunks are awesome. Skunks are mammals. Baby skunks are born alive and may have up to 10 brothers and sisters. Skunks live in burrows made by other animals. They also live in hollow logs. Skunks have black and white fur. That is a warning to other animals to stay away. If other animals do not stay away, skunks will hiss and stomp their feet and shoot out their spray. Skunks eat fruit and plants. They also prey on grubs and lizards. Great horned owls are one of the only predators of skunks because they have very little sense of smell.
Very good. Nice job.
Cut.
Yep.